here on the daily chart, and we are off. Bum, 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 bum. Tesla puts being bought. 85 puts. If Tesla goes to 85 this week, we're all in trouble. FIIE trading here, nothing doing that one. EQT up a little bit, SU up a little bit, Uber up down a little bit. Intel weekly 36.5 trading here, no thank you. How's everybody doing? Voice is a little bit shot, I apologize. Voice was better yesterday, I don't know. Futures up 1.5. Apple down. We'll see what the scanners give us today. Today could be one of those days it's really light. Or maybe we'll get a really good signal today. We never know what the market's going to give us. We just got to trade what's in front of us. And I continue to say this has been one of the hardest years trading ever, especially for me, guys. I've had a really tough time this year, to be honest. Tesla, January 6 calls. I know I got an email about that. Those are going to go to zero. I'm not adding at 10 cents. I'm not selling them at 10 cents. Futures down 5.5. We were up 18 points earlier. ARKK down. EA down. FMX down. LI down. Futures down 7. Apple down. Patience is a virtue. Maybe we'll get something really good on the day trade scanner. Tesla going to a relative strength index here of EWZ 38s trading here, guys. EWZ 38s. EWZ 28s. EWZ 28s trading here, guys. EWZ 28s trading here. They expire this week. Tesla on the RSI relative strength index is now hitting 15. Wow. I would look for a short-term reversal here in Tesla. 17 here on the RSI, guys. 17 on Tesla's RSI. 17 on Tesla's RSI. I don't think there's much more downside. Tesla could put a short-term reversal in today if it goes to the 52-week low, which is at right now, reverses and closes on the highs. So if Tesla closes on the highs today, it could be a short-term reversal. Coinbase down. No signal so far today. Could be possible get no signals all day. MMAT trading here. MMAT trading here. Nothing in that one. Futures down 5.5. We're down 25 points all overnight. Apple down 25%. Tesla, new 52-week low. Relative strength index of 17, guys. RSI of 17 here, guys. RSI of 17 in Tesla. Tesla's got to be close to the bottom here. But it can continue to move lower. Recording has started. A couple days left to the end of the year. End of the year is on Friday. AK is only running the room Tuesday and Wednesday. Tesla off the lows, only down 430 now. If this is a green candle, guys, I think the low is in for Tesla. This is a green candle. I think the low is in for Tesla. If this is a green candle, I think the low is in for Tesla. This has been a very, very hard year to trade, guys. Anybody that told you it's an easy, oh yeah, it's all dog. It's why people on CNBC tell you it's an easy year to trade. I was like, just show me your performance. I want to see your year-to-date performance. Futures are up 25 overnight. Walmart higher. JP Morgan higher. 5-minute bar closes here in 40 seconds. We're doing a lot of changes to the trading room, guys. Get excited for the first of the year. Fitch. Fitch calls being bought, guys. FTCH. Next week, 4s. I'm going to buy some of these. Fitch. Next week, 4s. 23 cents. In at 23. FTCH. Next week, 4s. 23 cents. FTCH. Next week, 4s. 23 cents. Hitting moonshots and option hacker in Fitch. I did get some of these. So moonshots and option hacker. Buyer of FTCH. 1/2/2023. 4 calls for 23. And I did buy some of these guys. I bought a 20 lot, so I'm in about $450 of risk here. So FTCH, I'm in these in FTCH. FTCH, I'm in these at 23. Futures continue to move lower. We're going to look at the RSI here in a minute. FTCH. So let me get the Send Hub login. FTCH, guys. FTCH. FTCH. Calls being bought. Where is my login for SendHub? I'm at a 23. Futures down 12.5. Continue to move lower here. Let's look at the RSI here. Once again, this login here. Come on. Here we go. So moonshots and futures on 20. Ugly. We are up. What happened to the market going up? Mm. 23 cents. I'm in these guys. 23 cents. Here we go. We got a new number. That's not working either. Fitch, guys. Calls and Fitch being bought, guys. Calls and Fitch. FTCH. 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 Let me look at that HER here in a second. HER is 61 cents. That's not bad. 61 cents on the HER. I mean, stock could get to 450 today. I'll target at 50 cents and 75. So 50 cents and 75. I'm not going to use a stop loss on these. These are 25-cent options. 7,000. These trade here, guys. FTCH, guys. 7,000 trade here. 7,000 trade here. FTCH, guys. 7,000 trade here. FTCH 5s. FTCH 5s, 7,000 trade here. Low of the day plus the HER. It's got a pretty decent HER, actually. It's got a pretty decent HER here. HER is about 60 cents. 60 cents in the HER. Futures down 17. XLY trading here. FTCH, guys. 23 cents you can get in right now. Fitch. 4s. 4s. Did I say 5s? I put 5 in the note tab. Let me make sure. No, it's the 4s. Next week, 4s and FTCH, guys. They're up 2,500. Bob on fire here. Bob at $5. Cliff higher. It's at FTCH here on the left. $3.88. E8 Affirm down again. Neo down again. SE down again. Tesla has Tesla bottom. If Tesla's going to bottom, it has to make a short-term reversal off the lows. So for Tesla to bottom, it needs to make a short-term reversal off the lows. Tesla's bottom, and it needs to make a short-term reversal off the lows. No super options, no short squeeze, no 48 hour, no one ETF and XLY. Let's look at this one. XLY end of the year 131's trading here. End of the year XLY trading is here 57 cents. I'll give you these. I am not taking it. ETF trade. Buyer of XLY 12/30 2022 131.5 calls 56 cents. So we have one ETF trade, exchange traded fund, one moonshot, one option anchor, one ETF. So futures on 18, we're up 25. So we're down 42 from the highs. IQ has to do with the Chinese internet names. K-Web was higher today too. K-Web on fire. Bob on fire. Futures weakness here. Let's look at the S&P on the daily chart. 5-minute bar we need to look at 235.02 was the lows. 5-minute bar probably going to get nothing today. So on the 5, Apple nothing, Amazon nothing, Baba nothing. Baba's a buy. Baba buy at 88.93, guys. Baba was a buy at 88.93. Baba was a buy. Google's a buy here too. So Google's a buy at never mind, Google's not a buy. 5-minute bar long in Baba. And the buy in Baba is going to be at 88.93. So this already came. If you have that indicator, if you do not have that indicator and you want it, we can work on getting it for you after the first of the year. So if you're interested in this indicator, which is the 5-minute bar long, we can work on getting it for you guys. So it's buying a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. You buy it, you sell it, MOC, which stands for market on the close. So Baba, buy. Baba, buy. 88.93. Baba, buy. 88.93. Baba, buy. 88.93. Tesla on the lows. For Tesla to make a reversal, it needs to close on the highs. Let's look at the open, and then let's go look at the potential close. So Tesla, it opened, so that every candle is either green or red. If it's a red candle, meaning the close is lower than the open. It's a red candle, meaning the close is higher than the open. So here in Tesla, the open was 117.50. So for Tesla to close higher, it needs to close above 117.50. I would not be taking a swing trade long in Tesla till it reverses and produces a green candlestick. So it needs to produce a green candlestick, which it is not so far. Fitch started to move up a little bit. WBD on a nice day. United is up. LUV getting smoked on all those cancellation of flights. Cliff puts trading here, nothing to do in that one. I figured today would be a lighter day, but I figured what did hit might be really good. Futures down 22 now. They were up 24. Not be buying Tesla on a swing trade yet. I would not be buying Tesla on a swing trade yet. I'm still in the Apple March 3 140s here. XLY, more calls being bought, guys. XLY, more calls being bought here. XLY, more calls being bought. XLY, more calls being bought. 131.5 is an XLY, guys. 131.5 is an XLY. XLY, 131.5 is trading here. XLY, guys. XLY calls trading here. Wish trading here. No, thank you. Fitch is the only thing we've seen besides XLY. Fitch and XLY. It's the only thing we've seen so far today. Yeah, Tesla's a huge ATR. But I wouldn't be buying it, so we get that reversal off the lows. I mean, it's so oversold. RSI here is 18 in Tesla. W puts trading here. KMX calls being bought here. KMX calls being bought. I'm not taking these. These are the 60s trading here. I took an RSI of SE. It's actually not even that's oversold. Futures down 24. Getting crushed. I feel like I lose money every day. Apple goes down every day. Tesla goes down every day. SE goes down every day. Where's all the buyers? Where are the buyers? I'm long 100 shares of Coinbase, goes down every day. Get this year over with trading wise. Give me a new year. AFRM calls trading here, small. I did buy some Fitch calls. You can get them cheaper. Next week, 4s, you get them at 21 cents. 8,400 have traded. No, I didn't even drink anything yesterday. I know I say this a lot, but I'm going to be cutting back on my drinking. So Fitch calls hit at 22. You can get them at 22. Day trading, I'd be done for the day. Day trading, I'd be done for the day. Day trading, I'd be done for the day. The ATR in Fitch is pretty good. I mean, it's an ATR of 60 cents a day. GDX calls being bought. So if you're looking for something to the long side in an ETF. So GDX, if you're bullish, gold ETF scanner. Buyer of GDX. 12, 13, 2023, 31 calls, 40 cents, guys. So GDX trading here, guys. GDX on the ETF trade. GDX on the ETF trade. GDX, guys. GDX on the ETF trade. Starting next week, guys, we have so many cool things. I don't want to give everything away, but the trading room will be a lot more interactive. We're going to be giving away free Starbucks every week. We're going to be giving away free courses every week, free scanners every week, ability to watch AK trade on Fridays. Puts being bought hitting the day trade scanner. No, thank you. Yeah, I'm going to hold Fitch. I have $450 of Fitch calls. I have $450 of Fitch calls. And I actually started making this thing here of my total risk. I'll share this with you guys next year. So I've been working on a lot of things. So I came in with $3,200 of risk. All I could lose was $3,000 for all my positions combined. And that moves every day. And we'll do P&L every day too. Some people use TradeStation, Thinkorswim TradeStation. I used to use Interactive Brokers back in the day. IB. Penn this week 32s trading here. Penn this week 32s trading 7 cents. Penn this week 32s trading 7 cents. PENN. 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 Futures on 25 or up 25 overnight. NASDAQ down 1%. NASDAQ down again. GDX is the 113. You can see here they traded 5,000 of these. So 5,000 of these traded here total. 5,000 traded here total. Bob up $5. TBT trading here. TBT, no. Fitch back to 23. That trade is unchanged. I do have Tesla calls that are going to 0. Next week, 200s. Worth 5 cents. So I lost money, but the risk I have on is going to go down. So I lost money, but the risk I have on is going down. So we see GDX calls being bought. 1/13/2023. 2023. Does that sound weird to say? 2023. Does that sound weird to say? Ha. So starting next year, guys, get excited. We're giving away free coffee every week, free scanners every week, free courses every week, ability to watch AK Trade Friday. It's raining out here. My golf lesson got changed. That's okay. A lot of free things. Futures down 22. I might do some free consultations too. That might be fun. Talk to you about your trading plan. Futures on 21.5. You got to decide if you're bullish or bearish. If you're bearish, don't take bullish signals. If you're bearish, don't take bullish signals. Right. All right. All right. Carvana calls being sold. No, thank you. All I've done today is I bought some Fitch calls. Traded 3 million shares. Calls are back to 23, 24, 8,500 of these trade total. I actually have targets at 50 and 75. Since I don't have a stop loss, I'm trying to expand my targets here, guys. Since I don't have a stop loss, I'm trying to expand my targets. Nothing on penny spike so far today. I said how to log in. It's not working. Can we rally back? Where does the market close? At the end of the year, I thought it would be like, wouldn't it be weird if it just closes right at 4,000? 48-hour, nothing. Short squeeze, nothing. Super options, nothing. 2 on ATF. So day trade 1, I wouldn't take it. Penny spike 0. Moonshot 1. Option echo 1. 48-hour short squeeze, super options 0. 0. Fitch. Come on, Fitch. Meta down. Apple down. I did buy some SE calls, some more March calls. I actually bought more March calls than SE. I bought more March calls than SE. Got $100 in that trade today. A lot of cool things, guys, after the new year. Next week. I spent about 4 hours working on things yesterday. Pitch is down 21. We are up. FXI puts trading here. Down 20. Finch calls 24. Yeah, I'm locked out of text right now. I'm locked out of text till I call them. So you'll get that in a little while here. It's like, AK, we don't know your password. Tesla, you sick. Tesla will put a low in if it reverses off the low. So if you're looking at swing trade Tesla, guys, it has to have a green candle. So if you're looking to swing trade Tesla to the long side, you can buy a green candle, stop under the lows. So if it produces a green candle, we talked about how it would produce a green candle. It needs to close above 117.50. So if it closes above 117.50, that is a possible short-term reversal. If it closes above 117.50, that's a possible short-term reversal. It is oversold. Stocks can stay oversold for a very long time. It is oversold. I bought some stocks sold $7.77 and it went to $14, I think. Let's look at the Soxel. The Soxel. Royal Caribbean calls, puts trading here, nothing small. Soxel, I could have doubled my money. Got it at 770, went to 1470. BHC, January 7th trading here, small. BHC, January 7th. Gives you 4 weeks on the Jan 7th. Volume less than open interest. NASDAQ down 1.14%. Rocket Mortgages introduces Purchase Plus, helping make the American dream come more obtainable. Okay. All right. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's look at the SPY straddles, at the money calls, at the money puts. We have one that expires probably today. Plug 52-week low. All these dog names are making 52-week lows. ARKK under $30. ARKK now under $30. That is nutty in my opinion. SPY, we have an at the money straddle. The at the money straddle is the 380 straddle. So we're applying a 30-point move between now and the end of the day. Applying a 30-point move between now and the end of the day. $30-point move between now and the end of the day. It's pretty big. And then between now and the end of the week, which is the quarterlies, implying about a 65-point move. 65-point move. $65-point move. $65-point move. About Tesla 100 puts. Fitch just hanging out 393. Next week calls. GDX calls up a little bit. XLY unchanged. Sotheby's International Realty expanding in California. We had 1 5-minute bar long, one winner. And actually, it's pulled back a little bit, but BABA was a buy on the 5. BABA was a buy on the 5. So 5-minute bar long in BABA, 88.93. 5-minute bar long in BABA, 88.93. BABA buy 88.93. Upstart 52-week low. Futures down 30. So Fitch kind of hanging out here. If you don't like that signal on Fitch, you want to take it off for a break even, you can. A lot of selling pressure, guys. A lot of selling pressure. We were up last night. What happened to the end of the year rally? They would say the market will do what will hurt the most people. JD calls being sold. No, thank you. So signals so far today, guys. Signals so far today. Day trade, one signal. I wouldn't have taken it. And they were put in love. The 32 puts end of the week. I wouldn't have taken those. Penny spike, nothing. Moonshots and option anchor, one signal. Those are unchanged. We're going to be able to do polls again, guys. We're going to be able to do polls again. Tesla will only make a short-term bottom if it reverses off those lows. So Tesla would have to reverse off those lows to make a short-term bottom. Reverse off those lows. Walmart trading here, nothing new in Walmart. Fitch up 1 penny. SFIX. Calls trading here. Stitch Fix. Some of these stocks were like so high. I mean, SFIX used to be a $20 stock. A lot of stocks are down 90% from the highs. I'm down money this year, guys. Like, I'm down money in my investments. I'm down money trading. I'm sure my real estate, which I haven't sold, is down money. And it's frustrating, right? There's going to be years like this. The odds of going down 2 straight years is very low, though. It's only happened 4 times in history. SE Jan 55 is trading here. SE Jan 55 is trading small. So 2 straight down years we had in the Great Depression. We had in 08. We had in the oil crisis of the 70s. And we had one other time. So I'm not like overly bearish for next year. Yes, I've lost money. Trading, I've lost money. My investments, I've lost money. I'm sure my real estate from the highs has lost money. But I got to stick with it. The market goes up 85% of the time. Could you make money being short this year? Yes. But it's very, very rare to be short and to make money. It's hard. It's much harder to be trading to the short side, just so you know, guys. It's much harder to be trading to the short side. Fitch starting to move up a little bit. Calls are up to 25.26. GDX calls up about 10%. So GDX about 10%. XOY down about 10%. And I wasn't expecting a lot of signals today. But I thought if we got a signal, they could be really good. Yeah, love canceled about, I don't know, K-Web calls being bought. Huge K-Web calls being bought, guys. Huge K-Web's calls being bought. K-Web, huge calls being bought. So K-Web, February 37's being bought, guys. Feb 37's and K-Web. Did not hit my scanner, actually. K-Web calls being bought. K-Web calls being bought. Fitch up to 27. So if you took that Fitch signal, you got in at 23, you're up 15%. I'm going to have my targets a little bit higher. I'm playing with that ATR here. Maybe it gets end of the year tax selling and reverses. So Fitch, I got in at 23. About 20 of them. I'm like up 80 bucks. I'm up 50 bucks. AK's in today and tomorrow. I've been working on more stuff on the back end. Don't miss me too much. Brian will take over my Thursday shift. Like I said, guys, lots of changes starting the first of the year. We're moving back to Omnovia. So we're going to have poll functionality. AK is going to be giving away free Starbucks every week, free scanners every week, free courses every week, potential to watch AK Trade Friday. Let's see what else I got on my list. Fitch, going through 4. Come on, Fitch. Up 100 bucks. Love puts trading here on that day trade scanner. How's everybody's Christmas? Everybody have a good Christmas? Or is it like, I went out to the bar and I met this girl. I was like, how's your Christmas? Like, terrible. Why do you think I'm at the bar? I'm like, oh, sorry, I didn't know. I apologize. Fitch looks like a good get through 4 here. Fantastic. Hanukkah's over as well. When's Kwanzaa? Is that what I don't want to. Kwanzaa? That was in I don't even know how to spell it. Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa, December 26th to the 1st. So we still have Kwanzaa going on right now. Kwanzaa is still going on right now. I found it. I put holiday. Kwanzaa. G-O-L-D trading here. Nothing in that one. L-A-N-V pop. Lavin Group Holdings. Bobo's a buy in the 5. Tesla's got to close around above 117.50 to make that short-term bottom, guys. And we could just see sideways action all day long. We might just see sideways action all day long. Or, you never know. We still have an implied move about 30 points. So today is SPY straddle, implying a 27-point move today in the futures. $2.70 move. $2.70 move. It's nasty outside in Delray. I mean, compared to everywhere else in the world, it's nice, but just cloudy right now. WPM trading here, nothing new in that one. Have a merry. Let's play some Christmas music. Fish moving up. Fish is down 23. Let's play some Christmas music. There we go. So AK's put on one trade today. Coinbase, you're the worst stock ever. Now let's put this up here. So trades, risk. So now I have, this is from today. Fitch, 1/6/2023, 4 calls. And I bought 20 at 23. P&L, 12/27. So Fitch is the only thing I put on today. And they're coming up a little bit here. They're up to about 28. Tesla is the worst stock ever. So get excited for next year, guys. I think there'll be a lot of really good trading next year. I predict a huge, great year for next year, guys. Other outside is light. You made $500,000 at Tesla puts? That's great. Let it snow. ARKK got under 30. Tesla, for the low to come, it needs to close above 117.50, in my opinion. Let me stop this recording and start the